I'm feeling bad here. We just spoke about cheating in examinations. It's okay. It's pandemic. I've seen students, uh, family members being lost.
Hi guys and welcome back to another video of Dil Ki Baat Tani ke Saath. My name is Tanishka and today we are going to be talking about the new college life. College life, a phase that we all treasure in the deepest corner of our hearts. It's that one phase where we learn not only about life but also about ourselves. However, the current college situation is not really the best, making it a tad bit bitter for most students. They are going through a roller coaster of emotions and experiences, something that probably you and I will not understand. However, keeping in mind that these are the people who are going to lead our tomorrow, it is important that we understand what their today is. And that is why I decided to touch base on this topic. To guide us through this conversation, I have a thoda sa witty, thoda strict but a damn chill professor from the esteemed Mitibai College of Mumbai. Having teaching for the last 11 years, he's an MBA in HR and obviously specializes in that as well. Adding further feathers to his already beautiful hat, he's also an author and heads the content team for the Indian Formula YouTube channel. Being an ex-student of his, I can personally vouch for the fact that his personal connect with the students and practical approach towards teaching makes him an all-time favorite. I mean, I've left college since the last 3 years and still he's one of my personal favorite professors. So without any further delay, let me introduce to you my guest for the evening, Professor Hari Krishnan Kurp.
Hi, Tanisha. That was a wonderful introduction. I
Yeah,
actually checked back to see if it's me who's the guest on your show and if it's somebody else.
no, sir.
But thank you so much. Thank you so much for that
Sir, but
wonderful
you are a
introduction.
favorite professor, leaving the attendance part. That's why I said thoda strict. That's the only scary part of having Hari sir as your teacher, I think, in college.
The attendance part.
Yeah, the rest, I think everybody loves you.
Everybody loves me.
That's
What's
true.
there to unlove?
That's right.
Bolo.
Okay, so sir,
Tell me.
now that we're here to chat, so you've been teaching since the last 11 years, 9 years physical teaching, and I think 2 years now, or 1.5 year of online
I
teaching.
think 1.5 years. Yeah.
1.5 year of
One and a
online
half
teaching.
years.
So
Yeah.
before we get into the core subject of college life for students, I want to know a little bit of how this pandemic or new normal has affected you as a teacher. Because, like I said, I know you personally, and even at 7 a.m., I've always seen you buzzing around the classroom. I've never seen you sit, basically, right?
Okay.
And you've always been a
Okay.
very active professor. So, how is this new normal for you? How are you coping with it, basically?
So we have all learned to cope now. We have learned to live with it now. I mean, look at Manali. Like, look at the lot of people who are going to Manali, right? I mean, we don't care whether there's a delta, alpha, gamma, lambda. We don't care, right?
True, true, true.
So we all learned to cope, but initially it wasn't that easy.
Hmm.
Sitting at home wasn't so easy. This whole जो the new normal जिसको बोलते हैं, that
Hmm.
wasn't
Correct.
very easy. Initially it was all games. I mean, fun and games actually.
Hmm.
The whole lack of timetable, sitting at home, no job, salary coming on time.
Okay.
We were, yeah, Mitibai is one of those colleges which, Touchwood,
That's
has
it.
always taken care of their employees.
Hmm.
And I am one of the lucky few that got paid on time,
Hmm.
irrespective of whether I worked or not. So it was fun and games in the beginning. And if you're asking me how I went into it, would you like me to tell you about that whole journey, or
A
is
little
this
bit, a
enough
little
for
bit,
you?
a little bit. Like you said, initially it was fun and games, but
It
obviously,
was,
I
it
think by
was,
the
it
time you
was,
realize that this is
it
gonna
was complete. It was awesome. It was just Netflix and chill, and Amazon
I
Prime wasn't even there. So lot of content,
hmm,
and
correct.
I was binging like
Hmm,
all through the night.
hmm,
And this began on the 17th of March, if you remember. 17. I mean, we were in the middle of an exam.
correct. Yeah.
The semester term end exams were happening, and we had completed about two papers.
Hmm.
And then the government said that this is serious, so you need to stay at home. And then we got emails from the college saying that don't come. So it was all great in the beginning. We just thought कि 2 हफ्ता hai, then it's all gonna go back, so might as well enjoy.
Okay.
But it wasn't till the 30th of March, about 10, 15 odd days ke baad, we realized that no, something's wrong, you know.
Correct. Yeah.
And 24th ko Narendra Modi ji had come and said that, you know, the lockdown is going to start. So it was, you know, lockdown was declared, and it's almost like an emergency situation for all of us. That's when I realized that this is not going to go. You know, the old ways of working, of lecturing, it might not actually come back.
True.
So that is there, and that's how it started, and here we are.
1.5 years later.
1.5 years later.
But I think you guys are doing really well. Like, I mean, teaching online is really very, very tough. So kudos to all you professors actually.
Teaching online is easy. You don't get ready feedback. Like, you can't see the yawns of students. You
But that,
can't see people are zoned out. So you just keep droning on and on, staring at screens and imagining that somebody somewhere is paying attention to you. So
that
teaching online is easy, but learning online is difficult,
that's
Tanisha.
literally the first
Learning.
that I've heard, because all teachers I've seen have complained that for this only, that we're not getting feedback. But I like this positivity that okay, I'm not even getting the negative feedback, so I'm happy.
We, we take what we can. I mean,
True.
like I said, 1.5 years later, we tend to change. And
True.
I've changed, even though there are days where I keep picking on students and I keep saying, "Arey, you have to, you have to respond, you have to report, you have to be actively listening and all that." We have
You have your days.
grown to accept the fact that
Ab jo hai,
students,
so hai.
jo hai, so hai.
True. Okay. So, sir, now moving on to the actual core topic, the students. And we're going to start from the absolute start, that is college admissions, which at least I know I dreaded during my time, right? And especially esteemed
Okay.
colleges, even MITI by NM, for example, are known to have really, really high cutoffs, especially for the, I think, non-finance courses, right? The cutoffs are really high. But now that the 12th standard exams are being cancelled, I think they have been cancelled for all boards, if I'm not mistaken, already.
Yes.
So what is this
Yes.
admission process? Because 12th standard kids, or basically any board exam wale bacche, don't really study throughout the year. Like, that's the mentality, right?
Correct.
Like, study for the board exam, will score it,
Correct.
will do then. But now they're getting the full year ka average. And I don't think that full year ka average is enough to hit a MITI by or an NM ka target. At least from my time, it was not enough. And I'm feeling very the target has gone down.
Okay.
So what is
so again, right now the admission procedure for the degree college has not started, because we still to get the kind of idea that you told me. It's an average of an entire year, and students are passing.
Correct.
I don't think the 11th standard, 12th standard results are out yet. That is still in process. That's still in process. These last minute assignments were taken last month. I think 30th of June. The assignments were taken. So I think they are compiling the marks and everything. So roughly around the time that July ends, I believe should be the time that we get an fair idea of what the 12th standard students are scoring. But going by your prediction, I don't think it will be touching the high scores that we are so used to.
Correct.
I mean, I have seen 97, 98 percenters coming into MITI by, and the third list, which usually ends the admission process.
True.
That stops at around 90, 92. So we are looking at maybe, I mean, this is just again a guesswork, because I have not seen the 12th standard results yet. So this is just a guesswork. But if I say we take the average, there's a chance that the percentage might fall 8% or something. So
that's
beginning 90, 95 ke niche se start hoga is what I predict. This is highly this is a prediction. This is not based on any value. This is not based on any numbers as of now, because it's not yet out there. Like, what is the kind of marks that the CBSE will score or the ICSE student will score? State board ka to abhi pata nahi kya hai. So we'll just wait. Maybe next time we meet up, I might have a solid answer for you. But right now,
we don't.
Not so much. Yeah.
Just a quick question from this only, personal question. So last year, what was it? Because I think last year the exams got cancelled, or were they not? I'm not too sure of this.
No, the 12th standard exams were done. So what happens is 12th standard exams get done by February.
Yeah, some boards.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah. So the results were delayed. The admission
हाँ.
process was delayed. I remember July के बाद हुआ था last time also, because processing of mark sheets weren't done, or something, some sort of an issue with the, because we were in the middle of a pandemic and they did not know how to function, right? March is usually the time when they are done with their administration part, as in the admin part of processing of mark sheets and everything. So the results were out, but we began in somewhere around post July, and the marks that students got, we still got the same kind that you are used to. You know, I don't think
So
there
this
were
year is
any.
gonna be that first new normal that's officially gonna hit colleges, I feel. In
Yeah,
terms of
but
admission,
I
at least.
yes, but moreover, like it's probably be a year, unless they have developed, or they are going to develop a better system whereby you will know
True.
that next year if this happens, then 12th standard के students को कैसे evaluate करना है.
हाँ.
I think it's better rather than focusing on one exam, for any student for that matter.
Correct, yeah, I agree.
Focusing on one exam से ज़्यादा बेहतर होगा right throughout the semester or year. You have 4 evaluations. It's tedious, but I think it works.
It's the need of the hour.
अगर पढ़ाई is the need of the hour, then yes. If it's marks, then you do whatever a student is going to do, whatever he can
True.
or she can. So
And that's always been the sad case in India for now.
everywhere, I believe, except Finland and other. I mean, Finland probably.
Yeah, but I
Students का
think
focus marks नहीं
India is
होता.
quite badnaam for this thing, I feel like. ज़्यादा ही light में.
And 2020, in the middle of pandemic, that is what was changing. You know, NEP was supposed to be introduced, but अभी फिलहाल we have not yet heard anything as of now. As in, it's still in process, like how to go about it. So with NEP, we hope that there will be some hope. You know, there will be, yeah, fingers crossed. But we hope students will benefit.
True. Okay, so now let's move ahead, of course, in the ladder. How are the current students coping up? Like you already, I think you already answered the learning part that teaching is easy, learning is tough. Okay, and I honestly have spoken to a few college students, so I also have in the back of my head. But I feel like you are a teacher, you've seen them firsthand. So how do you think are they coping up? Because like I said in the start of the introduction, that college life is a time, at least I know I treasured mine. I had solid experiences. I'm sure even you must have had. But these kids are not getting those experiences. I mean, online fest or physical fest में तो बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है. And
ज़मीन आसमान का.
बहुत ज़मीन, it's barely anything. And even something as petty as, I know you're a professor, but bunking, it's an experience end of the day, right? Which I don't think, like, you don't
यहाँ
get
पे
a point.
bunking is as simple as just logging off, like
Yeah,
ask a
just logging
question
off.
and log
हाँ,
off, you know.
exactly. Or just
So
shut your audio,
that's
mute
it.
your, तो वो thrill ही नहीं है, कि teacher से बच के जाना, or whatever. I
वो
mean, I
thrill
know
था.
it's your teacher.
I did not know what thrill था, as in
तो था
you
ना.
make it sound as if it was espionage, like James Bond shit, you know. But good, okay.
Sir, please, with the way you had your eyes on people, if you caught them, it was.
I don't think BAF kids
So,
actually. I don't know. I mean, my lectures used to be in the morning. 7-8 बजे कौन bunk करता है? I don't know. I think you might have, like, going by your facial
I've
expression.
bunked only once for sleeping. And I'm so honest.
Okay.
Only for sleeping, only
Okay.
once. I'm being honest. So sorry in advance. Okay, but like these kids are not getting those experiences. Okay, they're not. So how do you think are they coping? In fact, just cutting the question a little, I read a post. I don't know how far is it true or no. In between, during the second wave, it was quite an anxious time for everybody. Even if whether you had COVID or not, or whether you knew someone or not, basically just looking at it was enough to give anxiety to possibly anybody. And I read this one student, anonymous student, who put it out that this is the time when college students are college professors are putting so much pressure that give us the assignment. How do they expect us to function when our mental state is not right? So when I say coping, I mean all this, the learning, which I think you've answered already. So experiences and mental health, these two things I wanted to cover.
I might be giving out a very unpopular opinion over here, okay, but somebody has to say it, and usually it's looked upon as professors and students are on the opposite end of the table, They feel that we are threatening their very existence, like as if we are some villains from the Marvel universe or whatever. But let me just give you my assessment. Okay, this is my assessment.
Hmm.
Students are, so I will just divide it into the batch that, or those batches which had college. Okay, and those students, like the current uh, second year students, okay, who were first year students last year. Okay, last year जब pandemic hit हुआ, they directly enrolled into a degree college online.
Yeah.
They have not come to college. They are not entered a degree college. Okay, they were 12th standard students. They had experience of college, and that's it. Okay, so they do not know what they are missing out on. The third year students who passed out this year, the first batch of Corona, which Corona students,
Corona.
which you should edit this out, like,
So it's the
but
highlight of the chat. How can I edit this?
the Corona batch students, the batch that was hit in their
Yeah.
third year, yeah, they wanted to come back to college. They said, call us for a month, call us for a week, a couple of weeks. At least majority of them, I believe, wanted some form of a human interaction. Okay. The second year students who were in the first year last year. Am I confusing you? Is this too difficult for you to? Okay. So the people that passed out wanted to come to college. The second year students were okay. They were okay being at home. They were okay if it was, if they were being asked to come to college. Everybody had this worry that if we travel or if we come, would we suffer from this particular problem? Like, would we be infected and would
Pass
we
it
get
on.
corona or what? Pass it on to people in our family, etc., etc. Right? So students are worried, but not exactly about how their college life is going. Students are worried. Students are probably afraid of the examination. Okay, where they did not have a clarity as to how are you going to evaluate us. Okay, we are at home, and not taking anything away from those people who have suffered a lot. I've seen students, uh, family members being lost, like father no longer there, or corona impacting the mother. And I've seen some students and have interacted with a few students. They worry about that. They worry about the examination part and this whole thing that the pandemic might, how would the pandemic impact their lives. But otherwise the students have coped. Okay, I'm not talking about the 12th standard students जिनको पूरा साल एक confusion था कि कैसे होगा हमारा evaluation. Like, this is a very very important year for them, and वो ऐसे जाना मतलब it's too difficult. Degree के students had fairly coped well. They were missing out on meeting other people. They were missing out on college placements, college activities like festivals and all that. It's quite different having an online thing and having an offline thing. Is zameen asman ka farak. Like, I don't even know if the second year students or the first year students are going to come in this year would even know how a festival is. Like,
Exactly.
that on days ka thing, just nahi. The 30 days that lead up to the festival also, you have worked for Numero, so you would
Exactly.
also know how the excitement is, how the heartbreak is,
Exactly.
last minute mein jugaad karna and all that. So these kids have not experienced that. So I don't know if they are missing out something that they don't know about. Like, degree में आए हैं लेकिन उन्होंने degree life experience नहीं किया है. They are still 12th standard, as in still college students, वो जो college में थे. So my point has been to tell these students, counsel them on the fact that, see, people are going to look down upon you and call you the corona batch. People are going to say that you have passed ऐसे online exam देके आप pass हो गए हो, etc., etc. I say this to them, right? And I tell them that you are going to fall into a comfort zone. Okay, because I know this happens. We all fall into that comfort zone. We have the luxury, like, I can just switch off this camera. If Tanisha is irritating me, or Tanisha is, I am being uncomfortable, I can just switch off this camera, switch off this mic, and I am not accountable for anybody, right? This interaction between us, okay, I have not done this in person for a long period of time. So I forget my etiquettes. I've forgotten how it is to interact with somebody in person. Pandemic will go in 2-3 years. Okay, the physical world will start functioning. It's already functioning. Hashtag Manali, right? So I'm gonna keep coming back to that. This is to our everybody, each of your audience who actually is
In
throwing
Manali.
caution to the wind and doing revenge shopping or revenge travel. Please don't do it. Please be at home.
Exactly, that's true.
Be that kid. At least if you're in Manali, wear a mask. A 4 or 5 year old kid, a 6 year old kid is telling you to wear
Yeah, I've seen
mask.
that video.
I mean, such a shameful incident.
And you're
And
beating
grown
that
ups,
kid up.
was the kid beaten up?
Some people pushed him aside and were like,
Pushed him, or
little bit.
were
Some people
rude
were
with
like,
him.
some men were even
I
bullying him. They
I
were.
saw that he was whacking people with a stick, and I was
Or somebody took his stick and started
sick.
bullying
And
him. Yeah.
okay,
It was
so
there on the
he
video.
became the mascot for the Manali police. If you're aware of this,
Yeah.
he became, so the police have adopted him as the mascot, which is very shameful thing. Grown ups को अगर एक 6 साल का बच्चा बोल रहा है mask पहनो, then what message are you sending out to your youngsters in the family? And then they watch and they say कि यार कुछ नहीं है यार, कोरोना क्या है, कुछ नहीं है,
I
right?
think
So this mentality is there. So students are stressed, but probably about their examinations, which are like 12th standard or whatever, or about their placements, like यार मेरे को job कैसे मिलेगा, या do I have those skills to uh, you know
get a job.
match up to those needs. And one more very important thing is मेरा future का क्या, as in if I am planning to fly abroad, I want to study abroad. They are stressed about that. How is that going to be? Like, I had this grand dreams of flying to America for my MBA or whatever, and today I'm sitting and attending lectures exactly like I did in my graduation. That's not what is being, that's not something that the kids are looking forward to. So that's stressing them out. But now they have opened up, the admission process is all in full swing. Based on your vaccination and everything, students will be called abroad and everything will go back to normal. The initial period का जो depression था,
हाँ.
I believe people have coped. And those who have not, I request you guys to genuinely talk to people and seek help, because that's so important that we need to talk to people
Yeah, I think one thing
about
that
what we are feeling.
really struck to me is what you said rightfully so, that the TY batch last year, it was, I think, saddest for them, because I think TY, like, you
Last
feel
year,
very, yeah, the last year batch, like you feel very emotional when you're in TY. You want to enjoy that one. You feel like अब तो बस इसके बाद तो life खराब होने वाली है, जो guys होती है थोड़ी बहुत, very honestly. All of you are listening.
you would know.
Yeah, that's what I said. I know now. I would do anything to come
Now
back
you're
to
doing
college.
doing well.
Anything.
You guys are doing well for yourself. I know a few of you in class, and I'm happy that you're doing whatever you're doing. At least you're following your passion, and this is what makes you click. So
Yeah, but it is also, it has its own set of disadvantages over a point, definitely.
what doesn't?
Nothing like college life. So I think, as
Nothing like
much as like I cribbed right now 7 a.m. soti thi, I'm like, yeah, I'll do that. I'll come back at 7 a.m. but I want to go back there. So that batch,
every college student, not just you, every college student, they message me saying that आपका
attendance
वो भी चलेगा, जस्ट
college.
वापस आने दो, एक लेक्चर बैठने दो, आपका ही नहीं किसी का भी चलेगा.
मुझे इस चैट के बाद आप
बैठने
बैठने दोगे क्या? सैटरडे में भी लेक्चर होता है ना?
डेफिनेटली
Hidden
बैफ
person
का ही
on the
होता है.
screen.
बैफ का ही होता है, और तुम्हारे लिए तो कंफर्टेबल टाइमिंग भी है 11:48, आई थिंक 11:36, सॉरी
थैंक्स
11:36 कुछ.
मेरे टाइम पे तो आपने कभी मतलब ये कंसीडर नहीं किया कि 11:30 का क्लास भी हो सकते हैं.
मुझे टाइम टेबल ऐसा मिला है, इस बार 11:30 का लेक्चर दिया है.
नहीं, but coming to the point, so I know I had spoken to last year ke TY students and they were like, this is not fair. They should have cancelled our full year and given us 1 year back. Because you just feel like I said, that you're now gonna step into the real world. एक तो वो डर भी रहता है. So you
Correct.
want that. And now if this year, like you said, if things open up, I think it's very sad for them though. But do you think things are gonna open up this year? Like
things will open up. Things
college,
will open up.
College, actual, practical, physical college, will that open?
Before the variants of corona happened, before it mutated, we were fairly certain that this semester would be online, but next semester might be a hybrid teaching thing. But with the new variants coming in, and with the capability of this virus to, you have seen what happened in March, April. And March, April happened because December, Jan में we traveled and we went crazy. Everybody said कि कोरोना गया, मजा आ रहा है अभी.
तब गोवा था, अब मनाली है.
गोवा है, गोवा था, मनाली है, गोवा का वाट लग गया, अब मनाली का
मनाली का
होगा.
लगेगा. करेक्ट, करेक्ट.
करेक्ट. सो यू सॉ दैट पीरियड जहाँ पे लोग हॉस्पिटल बेड्स छोड़ो, सांस के लिए झगड़ा कर रहे थे. आई हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ ग्रुप्स जहाँ पे लोग
Yes,
एवरी मिनट एवरी आवर वो
I know,
मैसेज
I know.
करते हैं किसी के पास ये मेडिसिन है क्या, ये किसी,
And it's
ये हॉस्पिटल
painful.
में ऑक्सीजन.
Yeah.
इट्स वेरी पेनफुल वेयर यू आर सीइंग सो मच एंड यू कैन डू एनीथिंग बिकॉज देयर इज नथिंग अवेलेबल. सोचो नया वेरिएंट आएगा तो क्या होगा. सो मे बी दे विल टेक अ कॉशियस स्टैंड. एज ऑफ टुडे यू विल सी दैट दिल्ली एंड केरला में वापस केसेस हैव स्पाइक्ड. ओके. एंड वो ही सिर्फ नहीं, सिर्फ वेरिएंट्स ही नहीं, एक केरला में एक नया मस्कीटो ओरिएंटेड ये आया है, जिका वायरस करके. तो मस्कीटो के काटने से. तो यू नेवर नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. लाइक these variants might not be harmful, but इसके साथ साथ अगर buy one get one free पे कुछ और आ गया, so you never know. So I think next semester there might be a chance that we might continue online, but God knows. And if we
Very.
are vaccinated, if there is a herd immunity that is created, what scientists say, everybody gets to cope with the virus, then I believe we might just be cautious, but travel and start offline working or whatever. That's also possible.
Yeah, but
So as of now, my bet is on this semester being online. Next semester,
optional maybe.
getting that 60% chance that we are going to open up. 60% chance
A little out of
that we are going
context.
to open up.
As will you as a teacher be comfortable to be standing? Because even if the students can wear a mask while teaching, I don't think you can wear a mask that long. Maybe you can.
No, I get the limited times that I have gone to college and we have been called to college. The limited times that I've gone to college, I always get a headache when I come back. The continuous wearing of mask and the continuous teaching learning exercise that's happening online, I get a headache every day I come back from college.
Correct.
And it has happened every single day. So stress is there, and I cannot, and you can't be too sure, like you just can't remove it for a second and then put it back in you. That's not how it works, right? So I will not be comfortable, but if it is called for, then we'll have to do it and learn to live with it. It's our
The risk is there, but you have to do what you have to do.
the risk is there, yeah, but you have to do it if you are supposed to.
True. Now, sir, coming to a very spoken about topic, which I think you've also mentioned that you counsel your kids about, that they're gonna be looked down upon because online exam hai, ऐसे ही pass हुए हैं. Cheating during exam. So I'm not gonna name, but so many people have told me that मैं तो बिल्कुल पढ़ के नहीं बैठा हूँ, मेरे को ये GPA या I've got this much marks, and I'm like, okay, हम तो इतना पढ़ते थे तभी. We used to struggle, basically,
Yes.
right? And
Yes.
now it's like it's online, and no matter how strict, I think they try to keep the proctoring system. You do find a way, and कहीं ना कहीं तो even घर के siblings हो जाते हैं, friends हो जाते हैं, eventually they like चलो भाई अपने आप.
नहीं, उनका सबका पप्पा भी है ना, गूगल भी तो है साथ में.
सब कुछ है. They have their ways, even if they're like, so I know that this, I think I don't want to name, one institute had kept like यहाँ से कैमरा लगाओ, यहाँ से कैमरा लगाओ, यहाँ से कैमरा लगाओ, and still those students have managed very easily to cheat, right?
Okay.
So what's your take on this? Is it really like that bad, or ठीक है अभी मतलब
It is.
let it go?
People are copying rampantly, and there is nothing that we can actually do unless we invest in heavy amounts of money, for buying proctoring software and all that. Okay, what students don't realize is this is basically to evaluate whether they have learned something or can they retain some sort of a knowledge. But then, like you said, everybody learns one night before the examination. 12 bolo ya degree bolo. Okay, so examination system in a pandemic is actually one of the most redundant things in the world today. Okay, you cannot test a student and expect him to sit at home unsupervised and write the exam in all honesty. वो इंडियन सोसाइटी का धर्म वाला टाइम्स तो चला गया. लाइक nobody is a राम और a भरत anymore that आप वनवास करके आओ, मैं आपका चप्पल यहाँ पे सीट पे रखूंगा और मैं सर्वेंट लीडर बन के राज्य चलाऊंगा. Nobody is doing that. People are copying. There might be a few cases who do not, बट वो पर्सनल एटिकेट्स एथिक्स पे आता है। वो मेरा पर्सनल एथिक्स है कि मुझे ठीक नहीं लगता,
I'm not
इट इज
okay with
अगेंस्ट
that.
माई, आई एम नॉट ओके विद इट, इट्स अगेंस्ट माई इंटेग्रिटी, आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट। ऐसे बहुत कम रेयर, क्या बोलते हैं,
Species
कुदरत
है.
का करिश्मा बोलते हैं ना,
Yes.
ऐसा कोई होगा तो बट रैम्पेंट कॉपिंग होती है। एंड माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम टू स्टूडेंट्स इज, अगर ये एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न चला तो यू आर taking the easy way out, you're ruining your own chances. It's as simple as that. Okay, not that the exam that you have passed or the results that are going to change your life or whatever, they never do. The exams don't change anybody's lives. Okay, all the, just go and check track records. Everybody who has quit college to pursue something that they have believed in, okay, a major percentage do well. Depends on their conviction, depends on the skills that they have developed. But here, if you're not working on yourself, you're not developing skills, and you're taking the easy way out to pass the examination also, so you are doing yourself more harm than good. If you are working on yourself simultaneously, you're getting your internships right, you are gaining a lot of corporate experience,
Correct.
then I am nobody to say ki what you're doing is wrong.
Correct.
That one day you will come to realize on your own.
Yeah.
A teacher cannot
Point it out.
do, there's a limitation to everything, no?
True.
There's a limitation to everything. So I will not sit over here and on a moral high ground and say ki ye sab galat hai, aisa waisa hai. I will state what is the status quo. There is cheating, and if students are found doing this, there can be repercussions. And if students can actually operate on integrity, nothing like it. Like, I will not cheat. It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
You're not winging the system. You're not तुम किसी को नहीं हरा रहे हो, तुम खुद को हरा रहे हो.
Correct.
You're not harming anybody other than yourself.
But I think
in the short run it might not look like that. Long run में obviously ऐसा होता है.
I think one thing that you said, taking a little bit of that and adding my own, that if you are doing other things, like if suppose some people just end up in a certain field because कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था after 12th and whatever, you just end up, but then you realize midway that I want to do something else, but अब degree भी चाहिए backup के लिए, and they just कि ठीक है, I pass it however and I'm actually working on that. That doesn't make it so wrong, I feel, to cheat ना. Like, not as a professor, as a person, like apart from the personal ethics को भी side में रखा, सब कुछ side में रखा, but like just now that you're getting that degree for the heck of it and you're working for something that you want.
Yeah, so I will not say nowhere, no day will I say that cheating is okay. It is never okay. Okay.
That's okay.
It's as simple as saying that यार 10 रुपए चुराए ना, 10 रुपए से किसका फायदा, किसका नुकसान हो रहा है? 50,000 रुपए तो नहीं चुराया, 5 करोड़ रुपए तो नहीं चुराया, बट चुराना तो चुराना ही है ना. It is similar like that. आप कुछ भी कर लो, बट अगर आप ये भी कर रहे हो, then आप गलत.
You have to be honest.
But again, I will repeat, I am not sitting on any moral high grounds and saying that ऐसा मत करो. It is for you to figure out whether what you're doing is right or wrong.
Right or wrong.
If you think it is not right, then take measures to not do it.
Correct.
That's what I have to say.
No, true. And now that this cheating is happening, suppose especially for the kids who came last year, 2020 वाला batch for FY, now they are in SY. अब तो उनको काफी आदत भी लग गई है cheating करने की. Okay, and they might even continue. Or even, for example, the last year TY batch, how credible will their actual degrees be? Because first of all, let's face it, जो हम degree college में पढ़ते हैं, definitely a major chunk of it is needed in your real life or corporate life, but wherever you decide to go. But the practical learning is anyways gonna be different. True. But even when you're getting a job for, say, like the first thing the person now, if you've got no experience, they'll say, okay, क्या किया? So if you say that I have a BAF or a BMS or a BBA, whatever degree, but you've clearly cheated throughout, how credible is that degree today?
Hey, so this is exactly what I'm saying. Somebody with a certain percentage, okay? Somebody who claims I have high knowledge in HR, I have high knowledge in XYZ subjects, okay? Initial interviews में क्या होता है? If you don't have an experience, they will go by what do you know about the subject. So if there is a huge difference between what you are presenting, what you're talking, and your results, okay, then people interviewing you are not fools. They will understand what you have done. But I'm sure that a lot of people do not really give weightage to marks also. if I see potential, if I see talent in front of me, I will definitely hire somebody who has the talent. Okay. But at the back of my mind, I will always feel, is he ethical? Am I hiring an unethical person? Will he tomorrow cheat me the way he did this? So your chances reduce a little bit.
Definitely.
Okay. And you have not had the experience that you have in a regular college. Like एग्जाम्स फिर भी तुम छोड़ दो, तुम एक रेगुलर कॉलेज का कुछ भी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, तुमको फेस्टिवल का कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं है, तुमने इंटर्नशिप रेगुलर नहीं किया है, तुमने लोगों से इंटरेक्ट नहीं किया, तुमने दुनिया देखा नहीं है पिछले एक दो साल में. ओके. तो डिग्री कॉलेज स्टूडेंट से क्या एक्सपेक्टेड है ये तुमको मालूम नहीं है, तो तुम क्या प्रेजेंट करोगे? यू आर गोइंग टू बी अफेक्टेड, and the results that you score, the high marks that you score, are
Makes
not
no
going to
sense.
help you.
Over a point. Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. You might end up sitting at home with a high marks and nowhere to go.
But you'll just end up
Might as well
overdoing.
work on yourself. Work on yourself. The time that you take to cheat, work on yourself.
That's true.
Right? And build yourself. That is what we expect students to do.
True. But now that we're talking about placements, how are the placements happening? Because definitely the pandemic has affected so many industries. Jobs
It
are, I
has.
won't say scarce, but definitely
Hmm.
people are hiring more wisely. I think they've realized, that kam mein kaam ho sakta hai, can be done from home. We don't need that physical presence. And
Yes.
I know such big companies
Yes.
have decided, that even after the pandemic, we will continue the work from home culture because cost
Correct.
cutting or whatever.
Correct.
So how are are the placements, the number of companies coming in the same, or only some very, very big companies are coming, baki chote mote companies band ho gaye? Because the entire small or big makes the pool, right? Not everybody's gonna get into say a Morgan Stanley.
Correct. The companies are coming. Okay. Good colleges will always attract companies. Okay. I have personally known a few who are currently in TY, okay, who were interning last year with certain companies, who have got pre-placement offers. Like they are so good, they are so talented,
Okay, yeah.
that the company has continued with them. The company would offer them a position once they clear their degrees or whatever. Like that's on the table.
Correct.
They have an advantage over the others.
Correct.
Companies are coming, but a lot of cost cutting has happened. They are not hiring as many as they would previously. Okay. They're not probably paying as much as they would previously. They would not pay you as much as of now. So starting salaries, there's a tendency for them to fall.
True.
Okay. The lesser companies are today preferring freelancers, like people who are on contract basis, or people who can get work done, because they don't want to maintain a regular employee who's going to work like a freelancer. So might as well do it project to project. That's happening. The startups are doing it that way. Students को job ढूंढना थोड़ा और difficult हो गया है, to go out there, to put themselves out there. तो companies हमारे पास आना कम हो गया है, but offers are there, opportunities are there. If you know how to network and connect and go there. If they are not coming to you, you go to them. Which is
not very easy. Yeah. Honestly, it's not. I mean,
placements are never easy. Some have the advantage. And
now that it's become more tough, I feel like,
Exactly.
How will these kids possibly, I mean, honestly, let's be honest. Once you have the college placements, it's a way easier process to get into it than actually applying from out, because वो देखने में लगता है that मैं बाहर से कर लूंगा. But I mean, we have now reached the age or the time that we've seen both, and we know how bad it is to apply from out, and how no matter how much we cribbed, but the comfort of a college placement is the comfort of, definitely, you're getting those companies at hand. Today, if we go to even look at a Morgan Stanley, even to get the application sent is such a headache.
Tedious task. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, like those who want to, but for those who want to, then how do they do it? It's not gonna be easy. Plus, unke degrees पे, like I said, like for me, like I myself, I'm possibly gonna question that अबे ये batch के बच्चे, like you said, the corona batch के बच्चे, तो वैसे भी सब cheating करके pass हो. How do I trust them? They don't even have life skills.
That is a problem, the stereotyping हो जाता है. But if you are, if your hiring person, the interviewer is talented, he can see through people. Like by just interacting with somebody, you can understand the potential that they have.
No, but so getting to that interview is also the problem.
No, so So both of that has to be, there is a, I mean,
balance.
थोड़ा आपको and थोड़ा वो आपके पास आते हैं. Of course, getting into that interview is chair is also difficult, is what you are telling me, and
Correct, yeah.
I completely agree with you. And majority of the cases में these guys are impacted. Majority of the cases में these are impacted, but good college students, like, you know, pedigree colleges
Correct.
will still attract certain
Some advantage over the others at least.
companies. But it depends on the students how they present themselves, that the companies will choose or not. So they can come to a Mitiba and still not choose anybody.
And that's
That's
happened.
also possible.
We've seen it
That
firsthand.
has
This is not only, I think, pandemic situation. This has been
previously also.
Yeah, it's there.
Yes.
Fair enough. You were saying something about the HRs. Like, I think you were saying something. Were you?
I was just saying that if the HR person is talented,
Correct.
then he will see right through you. So don't fib. Be honest about it. Be honest about the fact that you have experiences, you don't have experiences. Don't say anything extra. Okay. Allow for, I mean, everybody should allow for this leeway that this year has been an anomaly, and they should certainly give them that benefit. And I think people should go easy on these kids. We have certainly not, teachers have not, we have tried and kept it. Like, I know the school teachers, they are working overtime, you know, with the kids who are learning at home. The parents, kitna bhi karo, parents ko bas nahi hota. I know a few teacher friends who are like, regular college hota to 2-3 baje tak we are done, then it's over. But teaching from home, they have their own families to take care of, and they are doing college school activities all day. You know.
And I think, just like we spoke before this chat started getting recorded again, working from home, like, I think we both have struggled today to find a quiet spot.
And you see this, right? I mean, I'm sitting in this, I'm just actually hiding from my girl. You know, she's just awake and she's searching for me, so she might come and this door might just open.
I don't mind. So, I love kids. I'll be happy. The best guest appearance on this channel will be hers.
Okay, then I will not be speaking, she will be speaking in her own language, whatever that is.
No, so that is very cute. I don't mind that. Like, we don't mind it at all. Nobody minds it. No viewer minds it.
Okay.
So sir, thank you so much, first of all, for answering all the questions. I think we have covered most of it. Do you want to say something about the college life? Anything else? If you feel that I have something.
No, I have spoken my heart out actually. I was just waiting kisse baat karo mere. This is like a counseling session for me. I mean, I was feeling depressed, and here comes Tanisha, ready to just listen. Like, not even, you've been kind enough to let me speak at length. I don't know how much of this is going to be edited out, like, you know, or how much is it boring. I don't know about that, but thank you so much for calling me, first of all, for this interview, and letting me speak. Like, I think we have spoken a lot. And
but it was a very good chat. Like, I literally had to see the time. Now I'm like, oh, itna ho gaya.
Okay. So, I mean, your questions were great. I mean, I think these are relevant, and definitely your audience should, not because I am sitting over here, but definitely the questions that you have asked have been topmost on the minds of a lot of kids your age, younger to you also. So I believe this chat has been relevant.
True. But sir, just that we've come to the end, but I'm sure you, now that you to follow me on Instagram also now, like after college and all. So now you know that I'm very dramatic. Actually, I think you knew it since college also, that I was quite a drama queen then also. Yeah. So I cannot let you go without some drama. That's like a very important element of this channel.
And do you want me to wear my drama queen's crown or something like that?
I don't. If you have, so oh my god, anything. Like, so
I'll have to steal it from my girl's toy box or something. It might be lying around.
I totally. So like, I've realized, I think after being in social media, you can do a lot of things for the views.
Actually.
And I think if you wear that drama queen hat, I can sell this video to half Mitibai college. Oh, see, excitement में देख लेंगे कि हरी सर ने पहना है तो हम देख लेते हैं.
Okay.
But okay, we'll
maybe next time.
Maybe next time we'll let you go. But we're gonna play a small game. Okay, it's a very quick game. I'm gonna give you 5 situations. Some are
Okay.
pre-pandemic situations, some are pandemic situations of a professor life. Okay. And
Okay.
you have to give me a Bollywood song. कहीं पे भी बीच का line ले सकते हो, or you can even give me a Bollywood movie का name. It has to be Bollywood
Okay.
that comes to your mind after listening to that situation.
Okay. So very quick answers.
Yeah, that would be better because if you take time, then that will take time for me to edit. Basically.
Okay. And अच्छा, okay, fine. और अगर ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं, impulsively मैंने कुछ गलत मूवी का नाम बोल दिया तो will you edit it out of the chat?
I will help you. No, it depends. I don't think
Okay.
hoga.
Let's
I'll help you. I'll give you.
let's see.
So I don't think you need help. Are you a Bollywood fan, by the way? I don't know this.
I watch movies. Not a lot of Bollywood movies I like, but I watch movies. मेरे को vintage Bollywood अच्छा लगता है.
चलेगा.
Not a fan of the current movies that are releasing in Bollywood.
Yeah, I agree. That's so quite bad. But okay, so even old movies will do. So we're not gonna waste time now. There are 5 situations, okay? So let's start. Situation number 1. When a student who has fallen asleep accidentally switches on his video.
On camera.
On camera, yeah. This is the pandemic time wala.
Okay. वो कुछ एक गलती से mistake is a nice song for this.
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
So, and I was not expecting any like new generation song. Huh? I was like, I went full. I was all ready with all Lata Mangeshkar and all that level.
But that I did think about that, but then I thought I'll stick with Galti Se Mistake. This is more relevant.
Okay. This is also a pandemic situation one. When a student says, I forgot my assignment at home without realizing lectures are being conducted at home. Yeah.
This again is a candidate for Galti Se Mistake, but if you were to ask me another song for this or a movie, nothing that I can actually think of. I'm really sorry. Do you have?
Not Bollywood. No, now even I can't think so. I'm not a teacher.
Okay.
I've not faced it.
Not okay.
I don't know what can go.
No, I think this is going to be.
I think I can like give an answer from a student's point of view.
Okay.
ऐसे हुआ.
Okay.
और ये क्या हुआ, like something.
ये क्या हुआ?
हाँ, ये I was thinking like कुछ तो क्या हुआ, like ये क्या हुआ.
Okay. There's a lot for you to edit on this question. I think we failed. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Bad.
Probably moving on to the third question. All right. Next question.
This is a pre-pandemic time when a student bunks lectures on the pretext of being sick, and you end up bumping with that same student later in the evening at some restaurant or bar or any such place.
Restaurant or bar? I mean, it would be different. If it was a restaurant, that would be different, or if it's a bar, that would be different. But
anywhere out, like now you just came to know that okay, this person is not sick. ये drama कर रहा था पूरा दिन.
This is tough, yeah. I mean, I was not expecting. This is seriously difficult. Actually, I've never been in that situation, yeah.
I think if the student will see you, पीछे से भाग जाएगा. That's quite a normal.
Satkun maaf, is that okay? Like.
Okay, so all Mithiwai students currently listening, if you bunk, Hari sir एक माफ कर देंगे आपको.
एक माफ तो कर ही देंगे.
एक माफ कर सर, अगर नहीं किया ना, जिन्होंने ये देखा वो ये पार्ट पकड़ के आपको सुनाएंगे.
पकड़ के चलेंगे.
हाँ.
Okay. I think we know. It's all part and parcel. Excuse us. I honestly.
Yeah, you don't buy that.
Face value.
I have seen you literally give that poker face when someone's giving even such a serious excuse. You're like, हाँ मुझे पागल समझा. I know it.
But yeah, I don't take excuses at face value.
Yeah, actually.
Trust issues hain.
This is when a student is struggling to answer basic Viva questions.
Okay.
What was a song or a movie that's going on in your mind?
Again, a tricky question, Tanisha. I think I'm failing miserably in this.
No, sir.
If somebody's failing at answering a question in Viva.
हाँ, basic, एकदम basic Viva question, suppose.
I'm really bad at this.
No, sir, you're good.
My God.
Okay, let's let it be. Chalo, last question. I think.
But I remember. I mean, I don't know why, but Munna Bhai comes to mind. Munna Bhai MBBS comes to mind. but nothing as of
That
now.
you I think you're imagining the student only asking you कि अगर ऐसे किया, that scene when Munna Bhai only says ना, ये करने के लिए ये जरूरी है क्या?
I remember that. No, I remember. No, not that. I remember the scene where he is interviewed. The last movie scene where they are interviewing him and he's sitting and answering
Answering.
questions.
So you feel like the interviewer and the student is which
I
one?
feel like the interviewer.
The interviewer.
Yes, I
Okay.
remember Munna by MBBS. I think Munna by MBBS should be the.
Okay. That's fine. Now last one. So now last one. Now
I thought there
proper
were 5
answer.
questions.
हाँ, we
Okay.
finished 4. This is the 5th one. I think the pressure
Okay.
was so high you didn't even realize. 4 हो गए.
Yeah. Yeah.
No. So now last one. A student who has been constantly bunking, okay, is now begging you to forgive their attendance default. And this is the most apt situation for you, sir. So I want a very. Now you have to give a good answer. Now you can't say I can't, because ये तो आप मतलब हर
Can
बारी
I
खेलते हो.
can I get the question again? Can I get the question again?
When a student who has constantly been bunking for all frivolous reasons is now begging you to forgive their attendance default. Guys, disclaimer, Mithi Bhai attendance head is Hari sir and he is not easy to fool with.
Head
Trust
नहीं है,
me.
joint convener हूँ.
हाँ.
Not the head, joint convener, but yeah.
And you can't fool him. Trust me, you can't.
There are good people who can. I mean, there are people who can, who are great at it. But yeah, 99 times out of 100, I don't get
You
fooled.
don't get fooled. Yeah.
But right now, I am seriously tongue-tied. And Tanisha, I think this is I'm a flop at this. Like,
No, sir. It's
I'm
okay.
seriously, I cannot for the life of me think about a song or a movie that you should have given me these questions well in advance.
So then
And I would have really come up with.
How would it have been fun? Like that, so even we had begged you so much to give us the questions in advance. When our time
I'm
पे cheating
feeling
नहीं
bad
होता.
here.
No, don't feel bad.
I'm feeling bad here. We just spoke about cheating in examinations. It's okay. It's pandemic, right?
देखा सब, but हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था ना pandemic, and आपने कभी नहीं दिए थे हमें questions पहले.
Okay.
So,
all right. So
I
no, do you have any answers for this?
No, it was not my question. How will I have?
Damn, I'll message you in the night.
Okay.
You can screenshot that chat and put it up as part of this.
Scene 1, scene 2.
Scene 1, question 1, question 2, question 3. But I really cannot think of a song, and I'm so sorry.
Sir, don't be sorry. It's absolutely okay. This is actually the better part of it. We're gonna keep this as it is. No editing for this part. Okay, so guys, that brings us to the end of this conversation. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us and guiding us through this. I don't think I would have been able to spread this awareness without having you. So thank you. Again, on a parting note, if there's anything that you want to say else.
You are doing a great job of entertaining people. Keep at it, Tanisha. And I think you have a long. I mean, it's going to be a long, beautiful journey, and you're gonna do well in life. And for everybody who is listening to this, as you have probably realized, pandemic is not the end of life. So keep working on yourself. Keep working on yourself. Figure things out. Keep working on yourself.
Thank you so much.
That's my message. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for being here, guys. I'll be back next week with another video of Dil Ki Baat Tani ke Saath on Saturday. And if you like this video,
please go on Instagram and follow Tanisha. Please go on YouTube and follow Tanisha. She's been doing a wonderful amount of work, and motivate her to come out with more
content.
Awesome content.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so guys, that was it from us for today. Lots of love.